In this episode, we'll see how Autodesk technology helps make data centers smarter, not just to build, but to operate. The architects built a digital twin for handover setting up an operation ready model, connecting live device data and linking manuals and test results, so the client can run the data center without juggling spreadsheets and PDFs. Welcome to episode 10 of our data center series. Digital twins are transforming how data centers are delivered and operated. With Autodesk, the digital twin is not an afterthought. It begins at design and continues through construction into operations. As construction concludes, the project evolves into operational digital twin. This model is purpose-built for facility teams, enabling readiness from day one. Equipment data, test results, and operational manuals are no longer stored in disconnected systems. Using Autodesk connected data environment, this information is linked directly to the assets within the model, creating a single source of truth. Live and historical data from connected IoT systems provide immediate operational insight through powerful dashboards. This enables proactive operations, not reactive maintenance. At handover, the owner receives more than a physical facility. They receive a fully connected digital twin ready to support operations, maintenance, and future expansions. Teams spend less time searching for information and more time making informed decisions. In summary, here we used Autodesk Tandem to create the digital twin, connect IoT data, and view cooling and electrical dashboards with Autodesk Construction Cloud, providing documents and asset data, delivering a smart, operations ready data center.